Wala pong violente sa sistema ng former speaker. That's why the entire house, voted him twice as a speaker. Dahil alam po namin kung gaano po yung ka-steady na kanyang leadership at yung serbisyo po niya na gustong mangyari sa taong bayan.
You've known former Speaker Martin Romualdez for a long time, and former Representative Zaldico alleged that the former Speaker threatened him that he will be shot if he comes home, that he will be robbed out by hired assassins. Ano pong masasabi niyo doon?
Ang alam ko kasi mga ganun po, madaling magsabi, pero you have to prove na totoo yung allegations. And I think former Speaker Martin can answer that, and alam niya na walang katotohanan siguro sa mga akusasyon na ganito.
I think ito yung sinasabi po namin from Lakas because we're talking about our party president. Ito po yung sinasabi namin sa Lakas na kung pag-uusapan po natin itong issue ng corruption na ito, dapat po base po yan sa verified na facts at base po yan sa mga ebidensya. Wag po natin gawing plataforma ito na drama, na kumbaga parang soap opera na alam mo niyo po yung mula sa puso na napanood niyo po yun. Parang ganun yun eh. May kalaban sikat yun eh, si Lina, tapos ginagawa ang lahat para mapatay yung mga kalaban niya. I mean, this is only happen in movies eh. I think my suggestion is baka sobra at ang tagal niya sa ibang bansa, wala na siyang ginagawa at nanonood na lang ng Netflix. I mean, it's something that only happens in the movies eh. And kung ako tatanungin, I think the speaker, having served the House of Representatives for more than 3 years, all of us can testify that he has no inch of violence in his system. In fact, wala akong kabayo-violente itong tao na to. I can say that, for someone who has been working closely. I think DS Puno can also say that. Wala pong violente sa sistema ng former speaker. That's why the entire house voted him twice as a speaker. Dahil alam po namin kung gaano po yung ka-steady na kanyang leadership at yung serbisyo po niya na gustong mangyari sa taong bayan.